Say hi to your friends. You want to say hi? Who's that? Who's that?
Here we are.
Who's that? You excited? How are you, friends? Say hi, guys.
Hi. How are you?
So many people.
Hi, Dancer. Hi, Dancer.
Oops, sorry.
Dancer.
You see friends? Thank you. Say hi. Those are her excited noises. And this that she's doing with her wings, that's like a dog wagging its tail, so she likes you a lot. You say hi? That's Dancer. Yeah. You say hi. She likes you. Hello. Yeah. She's not the mom. So yeah, get her to do all her stuff. She'll say pretty bird. Ma'am.
Yeah, you're really
That's all she wanted. She can't. Yeah, she's saying hi to you right now. Hi. Her, when she does a high pitch, that's hi. Are you excited, Dancer?
Dancer?
Yeah, she likes you.
Your mama loves you so much, Dancer. Oh, I see you. Hi, sweetie.
Who's that? Oh, did I just make you close?